North, and today we are beginning Unit 8, Activity 1, which is growing number patterns. If you do not watch my videos, you will not understand the online assignment, so it is very important that you watch my video, and you can re-watch if you want to just review and better understand something. And you know I'm always open to answering questions, so please make sure you are watching my videos, not just today, but every single day. I have sent out a reminder to parents to tell you to watch my videos every day, otherwise you will not get good grades in math or reading. Today's objective: students will be able to continue a growing number pattern by following a rule. And our DOL is math number patterns. So like I said, this is something new. You must watch this entire video if you want to get a good grade on your online assignments. Teacher motto: given the starting number 21, add 10 to generate 5 terms in the pattern. This problem is giving us a rule to follow in order to generate a sequence of numbers. The problem tells us that the sequence should start with the number 21, and then we need to use the rule to come up with the next 5 numbers in the sequence. So we know our starting number is 21. So I've recorded 21 as our starting number. Now it says to add 10 to generate the next 5 terms in the pattern. In order to find the next number in the sequence, I must add 10 to 21. I know 21 plus 10 is 31. Therefore, the next number in the sequence will be 31. Now we need to add 10 to 31 in order to find the next number in the pattern. 31 plus 10 is 41. So I will record 41 for the next term in the sequence. I'm going to continue this manner until all the 5 blanks are filled in with the correct sequence of numbers. So 41 plus 10 is 51. 51 plus 10 is 61. And 61 plus 10 is 71. And all I did was listen to the directions, giving the starting number 21, which I recorded, add 10 to generate the next 5 terms in the pattern. And that's exactly what I did. 21 plus 10 is 31. 31 plus 10 is 41. 41 plus 10 is 51. 51 plus 10 is 61. And 61 plus 10 is 71. When looking at this number sequence, I noticed that the numbers in the sequence are increasing. So I'm going to note that. I noticed that the numbers in this sequence are increasing. I also see that the ones place is always the digit 1, but the tens place is changing each time. The digit in the tens place is increasing by 1. This pattern will continue throughout the sequence of numbers. So if I were to continue, 71 plus 10 is 81, 81 plus 10 is 91, and so on. Let's try another. Guided practice 2. Given the starting number 86, subtract 2 to generate 5 terms in this pattern. So right away I know that the starting number is 86, and the rule is to subtract 2 each time. So I'm asking myself, what is 86 minus 2? 86 minus 2 is 84, but it's asking us to generate 5 terms in the pattern. So that was one term that I generated. Now 84 minus 2 is 82. 82 minus 4 is 80. 80 minus 2 is 78. And now I generated 4. I need one more. 78 minus 2 is 76. There. Now I am done. I generated the next 5 numbers in our pattern just by following the rule and using the starting number. What do you notice about these terms in the sequence of numbers? Well, I noticed that you are obviously decreasing. The pattern is decreasing by 2 every time. What else? I notice all of the numbers in the pattern are even numbers. So everyone can come up with their own observation or what they see, but those are just some things that I noticed. The pattern is decreasing by 2 every time, obviously, because that's the rule. And I also notice all of the numbers in the pattern are even. 86, 84, 82, 80, 78, and 76. They're all even numbers. NJSLA question. The first number in a pattern is 3. The pattern rule is to add 4. What is the 7th number in the pattern? So in order to do this, we need to start with 3 and keep adding 4 until we get to the 7th number. So let's do it. I know 3 plus 4 is 7. Seven plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. Trying to make them small so they can fit on these lines. 15 plus 4 is 19. We're almost there, but we're not done yet. 19 plus 4 is 23. Oops, 23. Sorry, I had a little typo there. 23 plus 4 is 27. And 27 plus 4 is 31. So all I had to do was follow the pattern and keep adding until I reached the 7th number in the sequence. So the 7th number in the sequence is 31. So that would be a question that you would see on the NJSLA assessment. Okay, now here are some additional problems. Given the starting number 13, add 12 to generate 5 terms in the pattern. So if we start with 13 and we add 12, what do we get? We get 25. 25 plus 12 is 37. 37 plus 12 is 49. 49 plus 12, 61. And then 61 plus 12 is 73. So all you have to do is continue with the pattern. Okay, the second one. Given the starting number 3/4, add 1/4 to generate 5 terms in the pattern. Okay, so we have 3/4. If we add a 4th, it would be 4/4. If we add another 4th, it would be 5/4. 6/4. 7/4. And 8/4. Okay, so you're just following the rules. Let's try the bottom one because this one involves multiplication. All right, given the starting number 2, which I already have, multiply by 2 to generate the numbers in the pattern. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. And 32 times 2 is 64. So that's just what you do. You follow the rule and you say what you observe. So the first one, I noticed that all of the numbers are odd numbers and they're all increasing. In the second one, I noticed they're all increasing at a steady pace of 1/4. And then the last one, I noticed they are increasing. Okay, and all the numbers are even numbers. So those are just some examples of types of patterns you would follow. Your independent work today is your math online assignment, number patterns. You must complete all 4 problems for a grade. Thank you and have a great Monday.